Go. Right, the blood flows through the vena cava into the right atrium, which is one of the chambers in the heart. It then flows through the tricuspid valves, which are 3 valves. As you can see, heartstrings are also attached to the tricuspid valves and the other AV valve as well. This helps contract the AV valves to open and close to prevent backflow back into the atrium. It then flows into the right ventricle. As you can see, the wall is quite thin. This is because low blood pressure is needed to go to the lungs. From the right ventricle, the blood then flows up to the pulmonary artery, which is there, and this takes the blood to the lungs, the oxygenated blood to the lungs, and then from the lungs the blood becomes oxygenated and comes through the pulmonary valve, the pulmonary vein, into the left atrium, and then through the mitral valves, them 2 valves there, and also you've got heartstrings attached to help the contractions, and then into the left ventricle. As you can see, these walls in the ventricle are a lot thicker than the right ventricles. This is because high pressure is needed when pumping the blood to the rest of the body. And also the septum, you can see it on both sides, is in the middle of the heart, which prevents the left hand and right hand side of the ventricles from mixing together. And then from the left ventricle, the blood flows up into the aortic valve to the aorta, and this takes the blood to the rest of the body. And then basically this is the front of the heart. These are the coronary arteries, and then they branch off into capillaries, the small lines there, and that is the back of the heart. And yeah, these are the heartstrings.